Hi, I'm Jose Anunciato, and you're watching the WebDev channel.
All right, so let's take a look at Bootstrap lists. Right? So Bootstrap lists uses, if you go here and take a look at the lists group, it allows you to just, just take some elements using just the plain old UL, right? Just by adding these classes, right? It paints them so they look somewhat more professional, right? So we're going to be using it to implement a list of modules, right? Of learning modules, right? So let's do that. So let's declare a let's create a module list item. So let's create one, and let's inside here we'll say actually this is not going to be a container. This is just going to be a regular component. So we put components all by themselves. Actually, course card, for instance, is a component, right? It doesn't have any children, right? It's just rendering content. It doesn't have any children. So that's a very good candidate to put it under components. So let's do that. Hopefully nothing broke. So a module list is made up of many module items, list items. Yes. So let's create the children first, and then we'll create the parent. Right? So we'll create here a file called module list item, and then we'll paste in here. I don't need the Bootstrap because my parent is loading that. I don't need to load it. Module list item. It's a component, and it just has a list item. That's all it is, right? And oops, we can break this up. There we go. That looks a little bit easier to read. Once we have a module list item, we can embed that in a module list. So let's create that, a module list container that can contain all sorts of these, right? So let's copy that, a module list. So a module list, it's going to load many module items. It's also going to need React. So let's load React here from React. It's going to load the module list item. Actually, from where? It's from, I'm going to have to go up one and then down to containers or components and then module lists. Right? I'm under containers. I need to go up and then down to components to load the module list item. It's going to render inside of a UL, right? A list group is going to render a module list item. You can have a whole bunch of these, right? So we can maybe render these in every line and add a whole bunch of these. There we go. And then we can render this in index in the container in the course manager, right above the card deck. We can maybe load the module list. So import the module list from let's see, from, well, actually no. Are we in the right place? Components, containers. Are we already in containers? Probably we're already in containers, aren't we? Course manager. Okay, course manager is here. Yes, we're in the same directory. Okay, so we can just load module list. There we go. And then just use it down here, module list. Right, and that renders maybe not. Oh, there it is. There's our modules, right? Rendered as lists. Right? Everybody good? All right. So the next thing is that perhaps we want to add elements that allows us to act on them, like remove them, or edit them, or select them, or highlight them. Right? So let's add maybe some controls on the right-hand side so we can manipulate them. So let's do that next.
I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like the video, and share it. Thanks.